Hello everyone, welcome to Natus and Aptitude World. In this video, I am going to explain fourth set of quantitative aptitude questions in the lane of Tech Mahindra. The rate of interest on a sum of money 4% per annum for first 2 years, 6% per annum for next 4 years, 8% per annum for the period beyond the 6 years. First 2 years 4% per annum, next 4 years 6% per annum, beyond the 6 years. If the simple interest is accrued by the sum of the total period of 9 years, that means after 6 years, the remaining 3 years, that is at the rate of 8% per annum, right? What is the total sum? That is equal to 1120. What is the sum? That's what we require, right? Suppose let us take the principal is equal to 100 rupees. And what is the first condition? 2 years at the rate of 4% per annum. And next 4 years at the rate of 6% per annum. And next remaining 3 years at the rate of 8% per annum, right? Suppose principal is equal to 100. 1 year 4 rupees, 2 years 8 rupees or not. What are the 2 years? That is equal to 8 rupees. 100 rupees 6% per annum, per year 6 rupees, 4 years, that is equal to 24 rupees. Next 8%. 8% 8 rupees, per year 8 rupees, 3 years, that is equal to 24 rupees or not. Now what is the sum? That is equal to 8 plus 24 plus 24. So this is equal to 56 rupees or not. If the interest is equal to 56, if the interest is equal to 56 rupees, then what is the principal? Principal is equal to 100. But according to this condition, what is the interest? That is equal to 1120. Then what is the principal? So that is equal to 1120 by 56 into 100. So that is equal to 2000 rupees. Option D is the correct answer. A man bought number of articles for 100 rupees. We don't know the number. Let us take that is equal to X. Right? 3 of them were broken. But by selling each article, that is rest of the article, 12.5% above the cost price, he made a profit of 8 rupees. How many articles did he buy? We required X. Right? Now, let us take X with the number of articles. Now, cost price of each article is equal to how much? CP of each article, that is equal to 100 by X. Right? Now, 3 articles are broken. What are the remaining articles? X minus 3. Now, what is the selling price of X minus 3 articles? Is equal to 108 or not. Now, what is the selling price of each article? That is equal to 108 by X minus 3. Cost price that is equal to 100 by X into 12.5% profit, that is represented with 112.5 by 100. This is the selling price of each article. So this is equal to 108 by X minus 3. Don't cancel these two. Suppose if you cancel these two, then the calculation is a bit difficult. Okay. Now instead of that one, you will cancel like this: 12.5 into 8 and 12.5 into 9. And this is cancelled. This is equal to 12. And this is equal to 2 and this is equal to 25. This is the simple. Comparatively cancelled 100, right? So what happened? 25 into X minus 3 is equal to 24X. So 25X minus 75 is equal to 24X. So X is equal to 75. Option D is the correct answer. If you cancel here 100, then a bit complicated is there. 112.5x minus 112.5 into 3. So calculation part is a bit difficult. A triangle ABC has a centroid G. The medians AD and CE intersect right angles and are each 3 root 2 centimeters in length. The length of AC is. What is the meaning of centroid? The intersection part of the intersection point of the medians of a triangle. Right? Now, suppose one triangle is like this. One triangle is like this, and the points are, let us take A, B, and C. And next median. What is the median? There is a line from vertex to the midpoint of the opposite side is called as median. Right? Now, and this is the median, and this point, let us take this is equal to G. And next median bisects, median is divides this line in the ratio of 2:1 from the vertex. So suppose this is 2 point, this is 1 point, this is the 2 parts, this is the 1 part, this is the 2 parts, this is the 1 part, right? And next here AD, and let us take this is equal to AD and this is equal to CE, and AD and CE, this is the right angle. AD and CE is the right angle triangle. And what about this one? AD and CE each is equal to 3 root 2. That means here CE is equal to AD is equal to 3 root 2. What about CG? CG is also equal to AG or not? Now, this G divides this line in the ratio of 2:1 from the vertex, right? So, this is equal to 2 by 3 into 3 root 2. Is it clear? This one? Once again, this is 2 parts and this is the 1 part. So, AG is to GD is equal to 2:1. So what is the length of this one? That is equal to this length is equal to into 2 by 3 and this length is equal to into 1 by 3. So here 3 gets cancelled. So this is equal to 2 root 2. That means this length is equal to this length is equal to 2 root 2 and this length also equal to 2 root 2, and we know that this is a right angle. So what happened? Triangle AGC is a right angle isosceles triangle. Why isosceles triangle? This length and this length both are same. And what we required? We required length of AC. Suppose this is a right angle triangle. AG square plus GC square is equal to AC square or not? Right? AC square is equal to AG square plus GC square. What is AG? 2 root 2. What is GC? 2 root 2. So that is equal to 2 root 2 whole square plus 2 root 2 whole square. So this is equal to 8 plus 8, that is equal to 16. Here AC square is equal to 16. What is the value of AC? That is equal to 8. So, sorry, what is the AC? AC is equal to 4. Option A is the correct answer. Here you must remember centroid is nothing but the intersection of the medians. What is the median? The line which is passes through vertex and midpoint of the opposite side. And next centroid divides the median in the ratio of 2:1 from the vertex. A candidate scoring 50% in an examination and fails by 50 marks. while another candidate who scores 75% marks and gets 40 marks more than the minimum pass mark. Find the minimum pass mark. Right. See, suppose a candidate scoring 50%. What happened? Fails by 60 marks, minus 60. 75%. What happened? 40 marks more than the minimum pass mark. What is the difference between these two percentages? That is equal to 25%. What is the difference between these two marks? That is equal to 100 marks. Right? So 25% of the marks is equal to 100. And what happened? 40 marks is equal to how much percentage? That's what we required. So that is equal to 40 by 100 into 25. Right? That's cancelled. And this is 2 and this is 5 and this is equal to 5. That is equal to 10%. Right? So plus 40, that is equal to plus 10% or not. So what is the pass mark? Pass mark is equal to 75 minus 10, that is equal to 65%. What we required? We required what is the pass mark. Right? Now 10% of the marks is equal to how much? Already we know that 40. Now what we required? 65% of the mark is equal to how much? So that equals 65 by 10 into 40 gets cancelled. So that is equal to 260. Option D is the correct answer. A and B together can do a piece of work in 7 days. If A does twice as much work as B in a given time, then how long A alone would take to do the work? Here two persons are there. Those two persons are A and B. A does twice as much work as B. Suppose A can complete the work in X days. What about B? B can complete the work in 2X days or not? Why? Because A does twice as much work as B in the given time. Now, in an hour, how much work completed by A? 1 by X. How much work completed by B? 1 by 2X. Now, what is the sum? This is equal to both are working together. They complete the work in 7 days. Right? Now, 2X. 2 plus 1. So, that is equal to 1 by 7. That implies 2x is equal to 21. What is the value of x? That is equal to 10.5 days. So, what is the answer? Option C is the correct answer. C sells his goods 10% cheaper than B and B sells 10% cheaper than A. How much percent C's rates lower than A's? That's what we require. C. Here three persons are there, A, B and C. Suppose A's price that is equal to 100. What about B? B sells 10% cheaper than A. That is equal to 90 or not. What about C? C sells 10% cheaper than B. What is the 10% of 90? That is equal to 9. So this is equal to 81. Suppose A's goods 100 rupees, C's goods 81 rupees. In this transaction, how much percent? This is equal to 19% or not. So C's rates 19% lower than A's. What is the answer? Option C is the correct answer. What is the sum of money will produce 6,000 rupees and interest in 2 years, 6 months at 6% per annum simple interest? A very simple question. Here what we require principal on it. What is the interest? That is equal to 6,000. So 6,000 is equal to principal P into time period 2 years 6 months. That is equal to 2.5. 2 into 1 by 2. That is equal to 5 by 2 into rate of interest 6% by 100. That's all. So 6 1 and any cancel and this is equal to 20. And what is the principal? That is equal to 40,000 rupees. It's a very simple one. You are expecting this type of questions also. Why? Because there are 75 questions and what is the time span? Only 50 minutes. So these type of questions are also in Tech Mahindra pattern. A alone can complete a job in 4 days. He is twice as fast as B and B is twice as fast as C. If all of them work together, then how many days would the job get completed? Here, there are three persons A, B, and C. Suppose A can complete the job in 4 days. What about B? A is twice as fast as B. So, B can complete the job in 8 days. What about B? B is twice as fast as C. That is equal to C equal to 16 days. Now, what we required? All are working together. 1 by 4 plus 1 by 8 plus 1 by 16. What is the LCM? They got 16. 4 plus 2 plus 1, that is equal to 7 by 16. Per day work 7 by 16. And how many days are required? That is equal to, you will take the reciprocal of this number. So 16 by 7, that is equal to 2 by 7 days is the answer. Option D is the correct answer. Father is 5 years older than mother, and the mother is now thrice the age of the daughter. Now the daughter is now 10 years old. What was the father's age when the daughter was born? Now, here three persons are there: father, mother, daughter. At present, what is the daughter's age? That is equal to 10 years. And what is the mother's age? Thrice the age of the daughter. That is equal to 30. And what is the father age? Father is 5 years older than mother. So that is equal to 35 years. Now, what about daughter's birth? 10 years back on Earth, minus 10. What happened? 35 minus 10, that is equal to 25 years is the answer. Option C is the correct one. A motor car completes the journey in 10 hours. The first half 21 kilometers per hour and the rest at 24 kilometers per hour. Find the distance. Let us take distance is equal to D by first half 21 kilometers per hour and next 21 kilometers per hour. Next distance by 24 kilometers per hour. Half of the distance. Okay. Both is equal to how many hours? That is equal to 10 hours. Right? What is the LCM? 3 into 7 into 8. And this is equal to 8D. And this is equal to 7D. And this is equal to 10. So 15D by 3 into 7 into 8 is equal to 10. And this is 2 times, this is 3. 3 gets cancelled. So distance D equal to 112. Now what we require? Total distance. Total distance is equal to 2D or not. So 2 into 112, that is equal to 224 kilometers. Option C is the correct answer. 15 years hence, a man will be 4 times as old as he was 15 years ago. What is his present age? See, 15 years ago, at present, 15 years hence. Suppose 15 years ago, let us take that person's age is equal to X. What about present? That is equal to X plus 15. What is the after 15 years? That is equal to X plus 30 or not. Now, what is the relation? 15 years hence, a man will be 4 times as old as here 15 years ago. 15 years ago, that person's age is equal to X. What about the present age? 4 times. That is equal to 4X or not. Now, we will equate these two equations. Then we will get the answer. Here, 3X is equal to 30. What is the value of X? X is equal to 10. Now, what is the question? Present age. What is the present age? That is equal to X plus 15. So, that is equal to 25 years. Option A is the correct answer. That's all in this video. We'll meet again on 5th video with 11 new questions. Thank you one and all.